As Peebee wandered through the pastel forest, something tiny caught his eye. A round, fluffy little puff flower in the grass reached out and gave it the tiniest poke. Poof! The puff flower exploded into a cloud of soft, colorful dust. In an instant, the flower disappeared. The sparkling dust tickled his nose. Peebee scrunched up his face. Achoo! Peebee sneezed, sending out a tiny burst of pastel dust of his own. That made Peebee laugh out loud. What a silly, sparkly surprise. What a wonderful place to be.